Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Pinterest something went wrong problem. Let's go see your problem. This is problem. Okay, let's go solve your problem. At first tap and hold Pinterest application. Now tap on app information. Scroll down little bit. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data. Tap on delete. After tap on delete, go back one step. Now tap on permissions. You can see many options. Now all options need to be enabled. After enable all options, tap on force stop and then tap on OK. After tap on OK, go back your home screen. Now tap on Play Store application and then tap on search icon. Tap on search. Now right here Pinterest. Tap on Pinterest. Update your Pinterest application if it is available. My Pinterest application already updated. Now go back your home screen. Then log back into your Pinterest account to test. Now you can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.